Welcome back, tech lovers. Today we're showcasing 8 next-gen inventions that are small in size but huge in impact, solving real-world problems with cutting-edge innovation. Meet the Arma Scooter, the world's most compact and portable e-scooter, designed to fit in your bag and unfold in just 30 seconds. Weighing only 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, and certified as the smallest e-scooter by TFCO, Arma redefines urban commuting. Powered by a 36-volt, 250-watt motor, it reaches speeds up to 14.9 miles per hour, 24 km/h, and offers a 15-kilometer range per charge. It charges via USB-C in just 2 hours, and supports up to 220 pounds, 100 kilograms. Crafted with the precision of Japanese engineering, Arma blends innovation, elegance, and reliability. Whether you're heading to work or weaving through busy streets, Arma is your stylish, efficient travel companion. Welcome to the future of portable mobility. The Pocuter One, a coin-sized 12-in-1 microcomputer packed with serious tech. Despite its tiny size, it features a 160 MHz processor, 400 KB SRAM, 4 MB flash memory, and a vibrant 0.95-inch OLED display with 16-bit color. It's equipped with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a micro SD slot supporting up to 512 GB, making it perfect for DIY projects. Built-in sensors include an accelerometer, microphone, temperature sensor, ambient light sensor with PPG, and more. Compatible with Arduino, this pocket-sized device is ideal for makers and coders. Its onboard charging module allows easy portability, while the Pocuter OS lets you run projects directly from an SD card. Whether you're into voice commands, IoT, or wearables, the Pocuter One delivers powerful performance in a miniature form. E-Wings is a groundbreaking autonomous wingsuit system combining human flight with electric turbine power. Weighing just 30 kilograms, it features 445mm electric ducted fans, each producing 14 kilograms of thrust, powered by dual LiPo 16S batteries and managed by 4 electronic speed controllers. Mounted on a carbon fiber support plate, it withstands forces up to 6 G and reaches speeds of 285 km/h. The turbines are chest-mounted for better control and natural balance. Integrated with a modified Aura 4 wingsuit, it includes safety upgrades like instant arm release and parachute harness integration. E-Wings offers a fully immersive flight experience, transforming the thrill of wingsuit flying into a powerful, motorized, and controlled adventure. The Flyability Elios 3 is much more than a flying camera. It's a powerful data harvesting tool designed for complex indoor inspections. With FlyAware SLAM engine combining computer vision, LiDAR, and a powerful NVIDIA processor, it delivers real-time 3D mapping and centimeter-accurate navigation. Its SLAM-based stabilization ensures rock-solid flight in any condition, allowing pilots of all skill levels to fly with ease. The drone features a rugged, collision-resilient design, modular payload bay, and a dedicated close-up inspection camera. The built-in LiDAR scans surroundings to provide a live 3D map, enhancing situational awareness. Return to signal, extended airtime, and seamless integration with Inspector 4.0 make data capture and decision-making faster and more efficient. Elios 3 sets a new standard for smart, stable, and safe indoor drone operations. BIKI, the world's first bionic wireless underwater fish drone, combining advanced robotics with the beauty of marine exploration. Dive up to 196 feet deep and capture stunning 4K Ultra HD video and 16 megapixel photos with its anti-shake camera and 150-degree wide-angle lens. BIKI swims silently at 1.12 miles per hour for up to 2 hours on a single charge, with built-in obstacle avoidance, auto balance, and return-to-base features. Controlled wirelessly up to 50 meters, BIKI becomes your underwater companion, even in darkness, thanks to dual 114-lumen lights. Driven by a tail fin using fluid dynamics, it moves naturally through the water. Compact yet powerful, BIKI opens a new perspective of the ocean, turning every dive into a cinematic adventure. The Seestar S30 all-in-one smart telescope sets up in just seconds with wireless app control for a seamless experience. Its apochromatic lens ensures precision, while automated go-to, auto-align, and tracking features let you explore over 4,000 targets from its rich database. Zoom in on celestial details with built-in light pollution filters, live stacking, AI noise reduction, and mosaic stitching for effortless exploration and infinite discoveries. Plan mode helps you make every second of clear sky count. With dual lenses, a magnetic solar filter, time-lapse photography, and a lightweight design at just 1.65 kilograms, it's perfect for any adventure. Compatible with versatile tripods and packed with diverse features, Seestar S30 connects you with astronomy enthusiasts worldwide, offering constant surprises under the stars. Splay Max is the ultimate all-in-one gadget display, projector, battery, and speaker packed into one ultra-portable device. Featuring a 35-inch Full HD collapsible display and an ultra-short throw projector with up to 80-inch projection, it delivers big visuals in tight spaces. Auto keystone correction, built-in stereo speakers, and HDMI plus wireless HDMI make setup seamless anywhere: hotel rooms, offices, vans, or classrooms. With up to 4 hours of battery life, glare-free viewing, and 70% blue light reduction, it's easy on the eyes and ideal for work or play. Weighing just 1.6 kilograms and folding down to headphone case size, Splay Max is perfect for movie nights, presentations, teaching, and on-the-go entertainment anytime, anywhere. Anyonebot M1 is a fully intelligent mower with dual perception that sets up in just 1 minute. No wires, no RTK, no LiDAR. Using AI vision and blade sensing, it maps your lawn, adapts to grass type and density, and navigates like a self-driving car. Its smart blade system adjusts cutting height and speed in real time, protecting your lawn while maximizing efficiency. With a powerful 5,000 RPM blade motor and 65-minute in steel blades, M1 ensures clean, healthy cuts. Switch easily between systematic mode for open lawns and smart seek mode for complex yards with obstacles. It handles slopes up to 45%, operates quietly at 54 dB, and is IPX6 water resistant. Controlled by app, it offers true autonomous mowing powered by a 5-TOPS AI chip, precision, power, and intelligence in one sleek machine. Thanks for watching, tech lovers. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing inventions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Grid Zone for more futuristic gadgets solving today's biggest challenges. See you in the next one.